Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. It's been an ugly September so far, but I think like towards the end of the year we'll get it all back and maybe some more. So without any further ado, let's go into just a few updates that I noticed this week. So Tastycrypto had withdrawals for crypto enabled for a while, but it's only recently that they allowed deposits now also. So kind of like the bad news, like a while back, Tastycrypto, which was part of like the Tastytrade and Tasty Live group, they had to get rid of like some of the crypto that was previously traded. Like it included Solana, I believe, Cardano, and like a few others. But I guess like maybe like the regulatory environment for crypto was still a little bit ugly. So right now there's only like four. So it's really just Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So that's kind of like the bad news. I guess the good news is that like for people that are in like let's say like Coinbase or Gemini or Kraken, maybe like a few others. I don't know if Binance US is still around, but it's good to see like another like avenue, especially if it's like a like a normal TradFi broker. I think this will help maybe in terms of like credibility, and then also too, it's another like kind of like way to spread some of the crypto around, so that you're not like in case like another one goes down, at least you have like another place to kind of store your crypto. Of course, like the best method is always like maybe like a your own like a private wallet somewhere else. But you know, I guess like if you just want to trade and but you, at the same time you still want to like some peace of mind, in addition to like the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, I guess you can use this as like another way to store your crypto. Right now like gas fees are relatively low just because like crypto took a huge dump along with like like the stock market. So now it's a little bit cheaper to kind of move stuff around, just to diversify. So I included the link in case you want to like read up on it, or if maybe you're not ready yet, but you know just want to be prepared. The second thing is like Roundhill updated their landing page for RDTE, so now it's like now we have a good firm start date of September 10th. So I think this is good. So this way people don't crowd into like the same ETFs like over and over again. At least hopefully we can kind of spread out some of the tourist erosion. And here's some bad news. Although I guess we shouldn't be that surprised. ThemesETF. If you read through all this stuff, sole purpose of this finance is to delay the effectiveness of blah blah blah, like all these nice ETFs that we could have gotten, but now it's delayed until October 6th. But I'm not gonna hold my breath. There could be like another delay. Maybe they're afraid of like the market volatility. Who knows at this point. So this is just a quick update. Hopefully you can like and subscribe. Any help will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.